the sittings took place.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. May I seek your indulgence to understand the issue? Do I understand the request by the County Assembly Council to be that a video can be played here which will show that the sitting took place? Because if that is the request they are making, then they can play it. We see where that sitting took place. We'll also be glad to see it ourselves.
Now, Counsel for the County Assembly, it is your case. The question that is before you, there has been an assertion from the team of the governor that no sittings took place. Now, you've decided to play a video in response to that allegation. Is that video going to show us a sitting taking place, or is it a video showing us a sitting never took place because of certain reasons?
If you play the video, it is material anyhow. We are not laying any place.
Honorable Speaker, that video, as I've already stated, due to the unique circumstances, the proceedings of that day, the vandalism, the violence, the mayhem, in the Assembly precincts on 26th of June, the video we're about to play is not a video of the sitting of the Assembly. It is a video showing the entire destruction of the Hansard office in the County Assembly.
No, honorable senators. Honorable senators, again, I'm going to say it. It is your case. If that video proves that the conditions were such that a sitting could not take place, how is it going to aid your case? But it is your case. You can proceed. Let the council play his... Yes, Senator Omtata, what is your clarification?
I thought we were handling a preliminary objection. We cannot begin examining evidence. Otherwise,
Senator Omtata.
Yes, Your Honor.
I hear you. Just take your seat. The clarifications that have been sought here is for the County Assembly to indeed confirm that a sitting took place. I think several senators rose to seek that clarification. In response to that, the County Assembly has requested to play a video.
I'm just to say, it's a question of evidence that is contested, and that's all we need to know. If it's a question of evidence contested, then we shall deal with the evidence when we get there. If we begin looking at the evidence now, I would rather we just deal with matters of law, which are matters of preliminary objection, and they had argued it well, and they had said it's a matter of evidence. And if that's the case, that's a matter of evidence, then what's the fate of the PO?
Very well, Honorable Senator. You will make that decision when you debate and vote on the motion. Just hear what the County Assembly wants to show you. It is upon you, using that same line of argument, to either take it or leave it when the time for making decision arrives. You may proceed.
Honorable Speaker, the video we are about to play, and I'm responding to the concern that was raised, is not to demonstrate that the circumstances were that it was not possible to hold a sitting. Our position is that there was a sitting of the Assembly. However, due to the violence and the disruption, and I don't want to go to affidavits, Honorable Speaker, because that's a matter of evidence, as Senator Omtata submits, the circumstances after that sitting was that the Hansard report was vandalized, and that is why, Honorable Speaker, as we came to Senate and as we exchanged documents, the answer that was filed was not a recording of the actual sitting of the Assembly. The answer was vandalized after the sitting. So, Honorable Speaker, with your leave, if the Assembly can be allowed to, that audio recording...
Honorable Senators, kindly view the recording and make a decision at a time when you're supposed to make your decision. Proceed.
Jigi in the boardroom, hakuna kitu ndani boardroom. Boardroom imesafirishwa.
And also video number 9 that shows the office of the clerk.
The clerk, anaiko sawa. The clerk, anaiko sawa.
Those are the two videos, Honorable Speaker. My final comment on that issue, Honorable Speaker, is that this violence and mayhem at the Assembly was perpetrated by the governor. We will be calling witnesses and lead them in evidence in support of that submission. And, Honorable Speaker, it cannot be that the governor perpetrates such violence and ultimately is the beneficiary of his own violence. He cannot benefit from his own mischief, Honorable Speaker. That is the entire point we're making, and that was the importance of showing those two videos. And finally, Honorable Speaker, can I get directions on whether that the audio Hansard can be filed with the office of the clerk? The Speaker just availed it to me.
Absolutely. It will be considered when making the decision on this preliminary matter.
I'm most obliged, Honorable Speaker.
Counsel for the Governor, you may proceed. You have 15 minutes to make your rebuttal.